Evelyn, can you dance?
Hi.
Can you dance?
I do.
Dance.
I do.
Dance.
Thanks for learning with me, son. Bye-bye.
Who's talking to you?
Bye-bye.
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 Where are your babies?
Baby.
Where are they? There's one. Where's the other one? There it is. Can you give baby a hug? Oh, that's so nice. Can you give baby a kiss? Oh, what a nice smooch.
Look.
Hug, that's right. Nice hug for the babies. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I love you. Okay. Dance.